What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Scare Rider Collective. In this video, I'm going to show you what I picked up at the Gem City NNL and tell you my future plans for it. So let's go ahead and get on into it. So the first thing I picked up was something from Neffy's Customs. They do 3D printed parts and they're out of Pennsylvania. So I picked up these 1/25th scale staging trees. You get 2 of them for $10, so pretty much $5 a piece. So with that price, I figured might as well go ahead and get it. This is my first ever 3D printed piece I've ever purchased. So just gonna paint them up. Gonna give one to my son and keep one for myself. So that's one of the things I got. Then the other thing I picked up was this Fred Flypogger as Super Fuzz by Mouse. It's a Monogram kit. The box was destroyed, but they put it in this goldenrod box and put the Fred Flypogger Fuzz top on there. But the kit is in there and the instructions are in good shape. So before I tell you what my plans are for this kit, I'll go ahead and show you another kit that I picked up. I did not get this from the Gem City NNL, but I did go to Atomic City after I went to the show. And I picked up this 3-in-1 customizing boat kit from AMT. So you can do 3 different style of boats out of this kit. But we're gonna do the sea-going dragster, of course. So there's a look at the 3 boats and the decals. So I guess it's kind of like a Hemi Hydro kit. I'm not sure what this kit is even called, but pretty cool, so I picked it up. So you might be asking yourself, why would I pick up this Fred Flypogger as Super Fuzz when I literally just got one a couple weekends ago from the Atomic City swap meet, which is the re-release from Atlantis. And then you might be asking yourself, why did you get one of those when you already had a re-release of the Atlantis? Well, let's go ahead and get into it. So for these 2 kits right here, I'm gonna do a custom with it. I'm gonna do one as the box stock Fred Flypogger as Super Fuzz, and then I'm gonna do another one where he is just gonna be a drag racer. So we're gonna take the club off his hand and take away the light on the helmet and remove the fuzz off the side of the car. He's just gonna be a drag racer. And then the other one is gonna be, again, like I said, just box stock. So with this version right here, yes, it is an original kit, but we are gonna cut it up and I'll show you what I'm gonna make. So we're gonna go to our classic magazine here. This is a Rodden Custom from April 1965, and we have it bookmarked. So we can go to what I wanna show you. So we're gonna make a Fred Flypogger as Speed Shift out of the Super Fuzz kit here. And we're gonna do our own version of it. So he's gonna be a little different. He's not gonna look exactly like this kit right here. That way we do have all of the other kits. So as we know, Atlantis has already re-released the Fred Flypogger as Flip Out and the Super Fuzz, but they have yet to do the Speed Shift. It's a pretty cool kit, and I have a pretty cool idea of how I'm gonna do that guy out of the Super Fuzz and kind of have a story with him. So hopefully you guys follow that build along. It should be coming soon. I'm gonna try to start it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So stay tuned and subscribe so you guys can watch me do a custom with the Super Fuzz kit and turn them into Speed Shift. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by the family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.